Many GCSE students think we can just cancel the x squared terms right away to leave us with 3x in the numerator and 5x plus 6 in the denominator. But this is one of the most common mistakes students make. Instead, the first step is to factorize both the numerator and denominator separately before simplifying. For the numerator, upon factorizing, we see that x is a common factor, and we're then left with x plus 3 on the inside of the brackets. For the denominator, since we have a quadratic in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is 1, we're going to factorize this in terms of two brackets and place x at the start of each of the brackets. Next, we need to decide on the constants that are paired with x inside of the brackets. To do so, we need to consider a pair of numbers that multiplies to give us the value of c, which is 6, and adds to give us the value of b, which is 5. That pair of numbers will be 2 and 3. All we need to do now is place those individual numbers in each bracket. Then the second step is to find any common factors and cancel them out. Since x plus 3 is a common factor, we can then cancel these out, and we're left with x over x plus 2.